Welcome to our channel, where we unlock the secrets to boosting your e-commerce sales through seamless PayPal integration. With Shopify, welcome to our channel, where we unlock the secrets to boosting your e-commerce sales through seamless PayPal integration with Shopify. Integrating PayPal as a payment option in your Shopify store is essential for reaching a wider customer base and offering trusted and flexible payment choices. Let's dive into a detailed step-by-step guide to connect PayPal with Shopify quickly and efficiently. First, log into your Shopify admin dashboard. On the left sidebar, navigate to Settings and select Payments. Under the Payment Providers section, you'll find the option to activate PayPal. Shopify automatically provides a PayPal Express checkout setup for all stores. To proceed, click on Activate next to PayPal Express Checkout. The system will prompt you to enter your PayPal email address associated with your business account. It's crucial to have a verified PayPal business account beforehand for smooth transactions. Enter your business PayPal email and click Next. You might be redirected to the PayPal login page to authorize Shopify to connect with your PayPal account securely. Follow the prompts to connect and grant permission. Once authorized, you will be redirected back to Shopify confirming the activation. Now, test your integration to ensure that customers can select PayPal at checkout and complete payments successfully. Go to your store's front end and attempt a test purchase selecting PayPal as the payment method. Another important tip is to ensure that your PayPal settings accommodate various currencies and that you have enabled any necessary payment options within your PayPal dashboard to avoid issues with international orders. Keep your Shopify and PayPal accounts updated and monitor transactions regularly for security. By connecting PayPal to your Shopify store, you provide customers with a secure, trusted, and instant payment option, which can significantly enhance your sales and customer satisfaction. Remember, offering diverse payment methods like PayPal helps build customer confidence and reduces cart abandonment rates. Make sure to check your transaction fees and understand how PayPal fees apply to your sales. Finally, always keep your PayPal email and Shopify payment settings in sync for smooth operations. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel and like this video if you found these steps helpful for growing your online business.